So welcome all of you. This is lecture number 4 of fluid mechanics, and this lecture series is specially designed for GATE, ESC as well as your SSC JEE 2022 examination. So in previous lectures we have seen hydrostatic law, Pascal's law, some basic definition. Today we are going to learn about cases to measure gauge pressure. So we have to see what are the different kind of cases are there and how to measure the gauge pressures with the help of that cases. So look at this figure. So U-tube manometer, differential manometer, inverted U-tube manometers. So these are pressure measuring devices, and the lot of questions were asked from these figures. You can see the questions from the tank itself apart from these. So let's see how to find the pressures, how to find pressure inside in the tank or particular point. So this is a tank, and one end is connected to open to the atmosphere at a point C. This point is B, this point is A, and this level of point A and B are same. Okay, so level of point A and B are same. If you want to find out what will be the pressure at point B, so how to find out pressure at point B? So how to find out? Simple. Pressure is nothing but rho g into height h. So rho g into what will be the height from the, this is your liquid level, from this point to at a point B we have to check what will be the height, that is nothing but capital H. So pressure at a point B is nothing but rho g h. So this is your pressure at point B, that is rho g h. Now if I am asking you same question, what will be the pressure at same level at a point inside in the tank A? So point the level PA is equal to PB. So level at both the points is same, so pressure will be the same. Pressure will be the same as that of pressure at point B. Rho g h will be the same. So this is rho g and h again. So this comes from Pascal law. Pressure at any point of same level of liquid will be the same. So PA is equal to PB. We have seen Pascal law, and from that in lecture number 2 or 3. If you have missed out that lecture, you can go and watch that lecture. So if level is the same, level of A and point B will be the same, then you can write here PA is equal to PB is equal to rho GH. So these are two important things. Next, we will see some another cases. So check out what will be the next case. So look at here, this is your case number 2. If some kind of arrangement is given, then how to solve this kind of problem? Okay, so look out here, this is the fluid having density as a rho 1. Okay, and here it is one different fluid, that fluid having density as rho 2. Okay, if they have not provided this reference line, then first task is to choose the reference line. Okay, in this case we have drawn here one reference line, but in a question if the reference line is not provided, then your first task is to draw the reference line. So you have to pick up that this distance is given, otherwise you have to make a reference line over here. Okay, so अगर रेफरेंस लाइन बनाना है तो मैं यहीं पे रेफरेंस लाइन बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ये यूट्यूब मैनोमीटर टाइप दिख रहा है, तो यहाँ से आप रेफरेंस लाइन बना सकते हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपका वर्किंग फ्लूइड जो डेंसिटी यहाँ पे ρ2 दिया हुआ है, ये टोटल H दिया हुआ है और ये H1 दिया रहेगा, तब ये H2 आप निकाल सकते हो. तो सबसे पहले यही काम है आपका कि रेफरेंस लाइन बनाना. वंस यू ड्रॉ दैट रेफरेंस लाइन, the next task is to write the expression. So in writing the expression, what you have to remember, you have to carefully take the density of this working fluid for particularly this tank, and if for solving for this tank you have to take a density of rho 2. So let's write that expression. if I want to find out this is the point A, so pressure at a point A, that is I am writing here pressure at a point A, PA plus or minus, whatever the thing we will check. When you are moving towards the downward, towards the reference line, you have to take always positive sign. Okay, remember this concept. When you are moving toward the reference line, you have to take pressure as a positive. Okay, if this reference line is upper side and you have to move from downward to upward toward the reference line upward, then that cases you have to take minus sign. Okay, this is the case where you are moving towards downward, so in case of downward you have to remember plus sign is there. So plus pressure due to this height is rho g h1, but density is rho 1, so rho 1 g h1. Now again we are moving towards this reference line, we have to measure the pressure about this reference line. Okay, so we are equating the pressures. Okay, we are equating the pressure, this reference line. Why we have drawn this reference line? Just to balance pressure this side and this side. This is the task. Okay, so purpose of reference line is this: you have to balance the pressure this side and this side. Pascal law. Okay, hydrostatic law. According to the case of Pascal law and hydrostatic law, the combination is this. Okay, so for this height h2, what will be the pressure? Plus. Why it is a plus? Why it is plus? Because you are moving towards this reference line downward. When you are moving downward, just remember plus sign. So again, what will be the density here? This H2 is related to this working fluid, and for that working fluid you have a density rho 2. So remember, if you have made mistake over here writing the densities, then you will get a different answer, wrong answer. So rho 2 g h2. Now you have to equate that expression. This expression is equal to what? This pressure at this side will be equal to pressure at this side. So this is open to the atmosphere. So what will be the pressure? Working density rho 2 g into this capital H. What will be here? This is equal to rho 2 g into the capital H. That's it. So this expression, how to write expression? Pressure at this section PA plus pressure due to this height rho 1 g h1, pressure due to this height h2, rho 2 g h2 is equal to what? यहाँ तक का आपका खत्म हो चुका है, यहाँ तक आपने रेफरेंस लाइन तक, यहाँ तक आपने सारा प्रेशर निकाल लिया. ओके, अभी क्या करोगे? वही प्रेशर इस साइड, दिस रेफरेंस साइड के अबाव आपको निकालना है. सो ये हाइट दिया हुआ है. सो रेफरेंस लाइन, चूजिंग अ रेफरेंस लाइन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क. Once you complete that, you can easily write any kind of expression. Okay, so ये आपको एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आएगा. बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आप सॉल्व करोगे तब आपको ये पता चलेगा कि रेफरेंस लाइन कहाँ पे खींचा जाता है. अगर नहीं दिया है प्रॉब्लम में तो कहाँ पे खींचना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक एग्जांपल. विल चेक सम अनदर केसेस. सो लेट्स बी विथ मी. So look at here, this is your case number 3rd, and how to solve. Okay, little bit variation in this case number 3. If you compare with the case number 2, this is a variation. 2 tanks are there, A and B. So this is your reference line. Okay, again reference line is the same. Okay, you can check here, this reference line XX, this is our reference line. And if you take this as a reference line, what would be our expression or equation that we have to write here? So कैसे लिखेंगे इस सबसे पहले तो देखना है कि रेफरेंस लाइन ऊपर बनी है नीचे बनी है. रेफरेंस लाइन इस तरीके के प्रॉब्लम में नीचे ही बनेगी. तो अगर यहाँ पे नीचे बन रहा है, मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ से शुरू करता हूँ या फिर यहाँ से शुरू करता हूँ तो मैं नीचे की तरफ जाऊंगा. Pressure at this section is equal to pressure at this section up to the reference line. Okay, that is the task. Again, my question is whether the sign is a positive or negative. So look at that reference line. This reference line is here. So pressure, we are moving towards the downward. In this case, we are moving towards downward. Look at here. In this case, we are moving towards downward. That is nothing but all positive signs are going to be used. Okay, that is the thing. So let's try to write this expression. So pressure at A plus all positive signs are there. Pressure due to this height, that is nothing but, and working medium fluid is this ρ1 having density as a ρ1. So ρ1 G capital H, that is this pressure due to this height. Pressure of the tank is PA plus pressure due to this height ρ1 GH. Again we have to equate this with this side, so is equal to pressure at point B PB plus pressure at point this due to this height Y. Due to this height Y, what will be the density of this working fluid having density as ρ1? Don't forget this having density as a ρ1. Okay, blue working media having density ρ1. Okay, this only this section having density is a ρ2. So don't take ρ2 for this section. No. Okay, the working media is blue lines shown by the blue lines, and only red working fluid is having density ρ2. Okay, so don't forget this. So ρ1 G into height is nothing but Y plus what will be this pressure due to this height, that is nothing but your ρ2, this working media ρ2 G and H. So this is the simple expression. Once you draw the reference line, you can easily write the expression. You can easily write this expression. And so what is new thing to learn here? New thing to learn here is nothing but signs. Which signs are we are going to use? Check out reference line where we have where we have drawn the reference line, and according to that reference line we are moving towards the reference line towards the downwards, so positive sign is used. Moving towards the downwards, positive sign is used. So this is a crucial example, and one more example we are going to see. Let's check what is that. So look at here, this is your case number 4, and this is very important case. This, after studying this case, you can solve any kind of problems. So look at here, इसमें रेफरेंस लाइन आपको कहाँ पे दिख रही है? रेफरेंस लाइन यहाँ पे ऊपर की तरफ आएगी. जो सबसे वेरिएबल प्रॉब्लम है आज के दिन का कि यहाँ पे हमने रेफरेंस लाइन खींचा, ठीक है, यहाँ से हमने रेफरेंस लाइन खींच लिया है, और यहाँ पे अब एक्सप्रेशन कैसे बनेगा? जब रेफरेंस लाइन आपको दिखता है, अगर रेफरेंस लाइन आपने ड्रॉ किया है, तब साइन के बारे में कंसिडरेशन करना पड़ेगा आपको. और साइन के बारे में मैंने जब बात किया है कि जब आप डाउनवर्ड्स जाओगे टुवर्ड द रेफरेंस लाइन, तब आपका साइन पॉजिटिव आता है, और जब आपका रेफरेंस लाइन अबव रहेगा और आप नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाओगे, तब आपका साइन है जो निगेटिव लेना है. तो देखो यहाँ पे हम क्या ले सकते हैं फॉर दिस केस. Okay, this case, this pressure at this section plus pressure at this section due to this height, but sign is negative because we are moving towards the reference line upward. Okay, and comparing this pressure at this side is equal to pressure at this side. So pressure due to this point B, pressure at a point B, minus pressure due to height this height, minus pressure due to this height, because we are moving towards the reference line upward. That is the thing. ये प्रॉब्लम्स, ये एक्सप्रेशन लिखने के बाद आपको चारों केसेस अच्छे से समझ में आएंगे. आप शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाते जाओ आपको आपके, और यहाँ पे आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो विद इन 2 मिनट्स और 1 मिनट. सो चले देखते हैं कि कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको. सो PA प्रेशर एट A, अभी माइनस क्यों आ रहा है? देखो कि हम लोग ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. माइनस ρ1 G H इज इक्वल टू इस साइड का हो गया है. सो रेफरेंस लाइन का यही इंपॉर्टेंस है कि प्रेशर बैलेंस करना है आपको दोनों तरफ. तो यहाँ पे देखो प्रेशर एट पॉइंट B PB माइनस, अब इस तरफ जा रहे हो आप, यहाँ पे क्या है, रो 1 ही है, इसका डेंसिटी कितना है, रो 1 है। देखो ब्लू वर्किंग मीडिया हैविंग डेंसिटी रो 1, सो रो 1 जी हाइट कितना है, h माइनस अभी भी माइनस साइन है क्योंकि इतना डिस्टेंस ऊपर रेफरेंस लाइन तक जाना है, और यहाँ पे वर्किंग मीडिया अलग हो रहा है। यहाँ पे वर्किंग मीडिया आपका क्या आ रहा है, रेड वर्किंग मीडिया एंड हैविंग डेंसिटी एज रो 2, सो रो 2g और व्हाट विल बी इट्स हाइट 1। सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम था जिस केस नंबर 3 को मैंने जस्ट इन्वर्टेड कर दिया। यही अगर आप इसको ऐसे देखो तो वो केस नंबर 3 था, इसको मैंने रिवर्स कर दिया केस नंबर 4। लेकिन यहाँ से आपको दो कंसेप्ट सीखने को मिले। अगर रेफरेंस लाइन ऊपर की तरफ आ रही है तो निगेटिव प्रेशर बनेगा, अगर रेफरेंस लाइन हमने नीचे की तरफ मिल रही है तो हम टुवर्ड द डाउनवर्ड जाएंगे, दैट इज पॉजिटिव प्रेशर बनेगा उस केस में। तो यहाँ पे अगर हमें ये भी निकालना चाहिए तो आप निकाल सकते हो डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रेशर पीए माइनस पीबी। अगर आपको किसी ने पूछा तो आप यहाँ से भी निकाल सकते हो, पीए माइनस पीबी इज इक्वल टू, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो रो 1 GH माइनस रो 1 GH माइनस रो 2 GY। सो जो पूछा है वो आप निकाल के ले सकते हो, और यही इंपॉर्टेंट केस था जो केस नंबर 4 थे, और इसमें हमने देखा। और एक केस बच रहा है, लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी दैट केस। सिंपल केस है, वो भी डिस्कस करेंगे। So this is your last case number 5. Okay. After solving these all cases, you can ask me any kind of doubt related to this, just in a comment box, or you can join us on our WhatsApp channel. Okay, you will get WhatsApp channel link in a description box. Okay, so how to solve these kind of problems? If you see, these kind of structures are asked in various exam, ESC as well as your SSC JEE as well as GATE. So how to solve these kind of problems? Look at here, reference line is this. Okay, so this is your reference line, this is our reference line XX. Okay, if they have given then it is well, if they have not provided this as a reference line, so in that cases you have to mark that is the reference line. This is the reference line, and above that you have to measure the pressure, or according to that reference lines we are measuring the pressure. So that is already known to you. Now how to write this? So if I want to write here PA plus Y plus, because again I am explaining you Y plus because we are moving downwards towards the reference line. So plus, what is that, रो 1, so this is your density of रो 1 G and H. Complete this pressure, PA plus रो 1 GH is equal to, what will be the height for this side? Simply, what is that, रो GH, and what will be the density, रो 2G capital H. Simplify. If they have provided H, then just put the value of H and solve it. If they have not given value of H to you, and the options are given in terms of this angle theta, so definitely you can solve for further. How to solve sin theta? From this triangle we can easily calculate sin theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but H by L. So what is your H? H is equal to L sin theta. If they have given the value of L, then you can easily replace here रो 2GH is equal to L sin theta. If they have provided theta and L, then you can write here PA plus रो 1GH is equal to, this is working medium, working fluid as a रो 2 having density रो 2G into capital H, but capital H is nothing but L sin theta, that is simplified term. So 1 mark question, 1 mark problem may be asked, that kind of problems. So this is very important lecture as per these pressure measuring devices. So If you have any kind of doubt, you can directly ask to me in the description box. Just like our channel, like and share our this video to all the students who are looking forward for GATE 2022 and 2023. So thank you very much.